Hi, my name is Richard Brown from Richard Brown Films. We here at Richard Brown Films have been making movies for over 4 years. We have a wide catalog of movies, way over 200 movies. And if you are a person who love the culture, love the vibe, and you want to see the film industry grow in Jamaica, you can support us by subscribing, by sharing the video up on your social media platforms, and even contributing if that's something that you want to do. You can reach us out at Richard Brown Films on Instagram, or you can send me an email at richardbrownfilms@gmail.com.
Yo, I'm telling you this. You swear left who? You feel like you can't left me? Hey, go for me belt, come give me. Cause you feel like come rank yourself with me. You see, for a dirty Jezebel, mama run away gone with man. And me alone have in here for providing.
Him don't love you if you look on it, you know. Him don't love you.
Some woman feel say if man no beat them, man no love them.
And me a big no do not tell no father when me there.
Why you decide to just cheat with bad and not do nothing?
Father sick in her head, him is a narcissist.
Daddy, please what? Hold them at all. That me I tell her. You not sleep in us tonight. Oh, it's so funny. One thing me take some lick down in a man.